Hello, my name is Maxim and today we are learning how to use for loops in JavaScript. Sometimes you need to do some action repeatedly. For example, in this case, I want to output hello loops 5 times. For whatever reason. I could do it like this, manually repeating console log hello loops 5 times, but better way to do it is to use loops. There are 5 different ways to do it in JavaScript. For statement, while statement, do while statement, for in statement, and for off statement. Today we'll learn how to use the most basic one, the for statement. For loop statement has the following signature. First we have for keyword, then we have initial expression, condition, and increment expression. And then goes statement, or group of statements in curly brackets. When a for loop executes, the following happens. First, the initial expression is executed. This expression usually initializes one or more variables. In theory, if you don't need to initialize any variables to use in your loop, you can omit this part, but you will still have to leave the semicolon. Then the condition expression is evaluated. If the value of condition is true, then statement or statements are executed. Otherwise, if condition is false, loop terminates. You can omit condition as well. Then, by default, it will be resolved as true. Then the statement executes. To execute multiple statements, wrap them in curly brackets, like this. So we can have statement 1, then statement 2, then statement 3, and so on. Then, if present, increment expression is executed. And we go back to step 2. We check the condition, we execute the statement, and so on. Now let's try a real example. Let's say we want to output hello loops again, but now using the for loop. First, let I equals 0 is executed. So we declare a new variable called I and assign value 0 to it. Then, condition expression is executed. We compare if I is less than 10. I equals 0, it's less than 10, so we proceed. Then we output hello loops and the value of I. And after we're done with that, we increment I by 1. Let's run this code. And as we expected, we got hello loops with numbers from 0 to 9. Now, theoretically, you could just return false or true from the condition statement. So guess what will happen if we return false? In this case, the loop will never be executed. But then you can also return true or omit this part, and then the loop will be executed indefinitely. Let's try it out. And as you can see, I'm now stuck in this infinite loop with growing numbers. Why would you do that? I don't know, but it's possible. Now, getting back to the original example of outputting hello loops 10 times, the best part of it is that you can just copy this code and paste it into the developer console, which I encourage you to do if you are just learning JavaScript and want to know how it works. So copy this code, play around, try changing any parts of it, and in next videos we will learn about other ways to have loops in JavaScript. Subscribe to the channel to get notified when the new video will be out, and press the like button if you liked the video. Bye!